Hey, welcome. I'm glad you're here. Before you start the Radical Truth test, I want to take a few minutes to explain why this exists and what it's actually designed to help you see. Because if you're going to give me 10 minutes of your precious time, it's only fair that you get clarity before you begin. Now, let me start with a short story. I want to tell you something which might feel familiar to you. Over the last few years, I've noticed something has been quietly shifting. My hairdresser trades crypto futures. He says he made 2 lakhs last month on crypto futures trading. The technicians who come to install my computer trades forex. And Gen Zs casually mention things like theta decay, liquidity, leverage, and apps that they use to make money online, like as if it's business as usual. And the hardest part is that you can't tell if they're actually building wealth or just simply taking unreasonable risks. Like, how some kids drive on the road, zigzagging their way to get somewhere faster, and they're willing to take that risk. So, personally, for me in 2020, I started to tiptoe into this wonderful world of blockchain, NFTs, and crypto. And while I maintain I'm not a trader, I bought some cryptocurrencies and started to study different ways of growing money in this alternative space. Without ignoring the rules of investing I had learned from the Lehman traders. So that's a story for another day. Today, you are here because the real question is, in a world where everyone seems to be making money faster than one can imagine, how do you know whether they're truly compounding or just taking risks that they don't even see? And more importantly, how do you know whether your thinking and your strategies are still making sense in this new world of wealth creation, in this new world of the AI and technology advancements? The traditional financial advice we all know was to save more, invest safely, and balance risks across a diversified portfolio. But the new age bandwagon is move fast, take risks, fail fast, fail forward, and eventually you will succeed. Well, personally, for me, neither are satisfying, and neither could universally be right. And what helped me understand how to bridge this gap between traditional advice and new age strategies is something that I learned from Ray Dalio's concept of radical truth. Now, one of Ray's core ideas is that pain plus reflection equals progress. And Dalio is big on this. Pain is not the problem. He says avoiding what it's pointing to is what the problem is. Now, the backstory is that in the early 80s, Dalio experienced a massive personal failure. He made a prediction about the markets which was radically wrong, spectacularly wrong. So, after that, he developed a concept that instead of thinking that he's right, he always started to ask himself, how do I know that I am right? And he says that this one shift in thinking helped him build the $150 billion enterprise that he built. And he introduced this culture in Bridgewater Associates to always start with first principles thinking. Now, it's a simple 5 step process called the radical truth, and the system is simple. You basically start with, actually identifying what is it that you want, what's stopping you, what's the root cause behind the problems that you're facing, and then from there, you basically uh, devise a plan and then go into execution. So the purpose is to show you where your goals, your strategy, and your actual behavior are misaligned, often in ways that you can't see from the inside. So in the next 10 minutes or so, uh, it will help you see what you're actually working toward, what's genuinely getting in the way, and the pattern you may be repeating without even realizing it. And what would realistically work for you in actual practice, not in theory. So at the end of it, you'll receive a personalized report, and that is for you to keep. Now, before you start, I also have to tell you this isn't comfortable for everyone. But if you've ever found yourself thinking, I work so hard, so why does it feel like I'm missing something? Then this test will reveal the radical truths to you. This test does not give you an investing strategy, It doesn't give you AI tools or faster ways to make money online or anything like that. It just simply shows you whether your current goals and strategy are aligned or are they quietly working cross purposes. So, if you're ready to see what's beneath the surface and what's stopping or stalling your growth, the test starts right below this video. Take your time, answer honestly, of course, and I'll see you on the other side.